Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check last seen on Instagram. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once you're in here, go to the top right and tap on the DM section. And in here, as you can see, you'll be able to find active 5 hours ago, or active now, active 49 minutes ago, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, if you can't see it, you can go ahead and tap on a profile or a message. Now you'll be able to see it right here at the top below their name, active 5 hours ago. Now there are some instances where you won't be able to see their active status. Okay, there are two reasons for that. First one is that they intentionally disabled their active status. Okay, and the second one is that you may have set the settings in the wrong way. So to fix that, go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right, tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go to scroll down and find how others can interact with you section. Okay, and here tap on messages and story replies. Now go to tap on show activity status and make sure that this one is enabled. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. That is how you check the last seen or the last seen option on Instagram. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.